A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time want you to sing with me. Hello children. Today I am going to explain you a worksheet based on alphabets. Before that, we will see the words that begin with each letter. As you know, there are 26 letters in the alphabet. So, let us look at these words. This is letter A. A says A. A for ant, apple and arrow. This is letter B. B says bow. B for bat, butterfly, badge and basket. This is letter C. C says co. C for cat, cup, cake and candle. This is letter D. D says do. D for drum, D for doll, D for dog. This is letter E. E says eh. E for engine, E for egg and E for elephant. This is letter F. F says fur. F for fish, F for frog, F for fan. This is letter G. G says go. G for gun, gate and G for grapes. This is letter H. The sound of H is H. H for hat, hut and house. This is letter I. I says E. I for igloo and I for India. This is letter J. J says Joe. J for jam, jar and jug. This is letter K. K says ko. K for kite, kangaroo and K for king. This is letter L. The sound of L is L. L for lion, lamb and lamp. This is letter M. M says M. M for mango, mouse and M for man. This is letter N. N says N. N for nose, nest and nail. This is letter O. O says O. The O for orange, O for ox, O for ostrich. This is letter P. P says P. P for pink, P for parrot and P for pin. This is letter Q. The sound of Q is Q. Q for queen, quill and quilt. This is letter R. R says R. R for rose, red and ring. This is letter S. S says S. S for sun, S for scissors and S for snake. This is letter T. T says toe. T for table, tennis bat and T for tomato. This is letter U. U says U for umbrella, U for umpire and U for uncle. This is letter V. V says V. V for van, V for vegetables and V for vulture. This is letter W. W says W. W for watermelon, W for watch and W for water. This is letter X. X says X. X for box and fox. This is letter Y. Y says year. Y for yellow. Y for yo-yo. And this is the last letter of the alphabet, that is Z. And the sound of Z is Z. Z for zigzag and Z for zero.
See children, this is a worksheet where you will write the first letter in given box and will color the picture. You can see a picture of the train. This is an engine of it. These are bogies of the train. In each bogie, you can see some pictures. Above the bogie, you can see some boxes in which you will write the first letter or picture. For example, this is an ice cream. The first letter of ice cream is I, letter I for ice cream. So, you will write letter I in this box. Sleeping line, standing line, and one more sleeping line which make letter I. This is a jar. Jar is a word which starts with letter J. J. Here you will write capital J. What is this, children? Yes, this is a key. And the word key starts from letter K. K. K for key. This is a leaf and it begins with letter L. L. And the last picture is, what is this? Yes, this is a moon. So M for moon. Moon. Below this worksheet you will see a thought of the train. Trains can be powered by a variety of energy sources including steam, diesel and electricity. It means that train can run on diesel, steam and electricity. Children, ask your parent to take a printout of this worksheet and solve. Thank you.